Hi, I'm Jim Krumm. This is Mike Krumm. We own the IM Sewer Scope Certification Program. We teach it through InterNACHI. We are offering a live in-person course in November at the InterNACHI Pro Lab campus in Weston, Florida. It's going to be very informative. We're going to cover 17 types of sewer lines. Also, we cover access, how to get in. We have at the House of Horrors in Florida a 70-foot sewer line so you can actually practice, learn how to go in different areas like the laundry, roof stacks, things like that. So you're going to get to use the cameras, practice with the cameras. Sewer scopes are one of the most lucrative ancillary services you can offer. If you find a problem, you're saving your client thousands of dollars. So, there's nothing but benefits to doing a sewer scope. We hope to see you in Florida. It's going to be a great course, going to be a great class. You can register now, and we hope to see you there.